Hey guys, just wanted to let you in on a little something I was doing with my Mahindra Emax 20 tractor the other day. I noticed when my girlfriend was showering that I had some water coming up near my well. So I called everybody in the area to come look and fix it. And the price was pretty steep, and they wanted to charge $150 to $200 per hour to have a machine come in here and dig a hole. And I figure, why not go ahead with my new tractor here and see if I could figure out what was going on down near my well. So used the backhoe attachment, and I dug about 5 feet deep, maybe a foot away from the well pipe, to try to find my supply line to the house without causing any more damage. What I found was there's a plastic fitting here that attached the supply line to the penetration to the well, and over time this plastic cracked, and it was causing a leak. So much pressure was making its way up from 6 feet deep in the ground to surface, and had a little spring. So I wanted to do a lot of legwork myself and try to figure it out. So I took the backhoe, there it is, a little dirty now. Took the backhoe and I started to dig down pretty deep, 4 feet. Went down with the shovel, hit it a little bit, 5 feet. And then when I got to about 6 feet, I saw the black supply line. So I'm gonna hop down here and show you what ended up being the problem. Let me put the phone down for a minute. All right, so we're in the hole here, and it's my electrical line to the house, my electrical conduit, and then down here is my supply line. So as you can see, my 2 hose clamps here, and the penetration to the well. And so what had happened was the plastic fitting right here had cracked over time, and sprung that leak. So I went ahead and turned the power off to the pump, so I didn't have any live electrical under here. With water, it can get pretty dangerous. So I killed all that, shut my supply line valve in the house, and went ahead and took my hose clamps off that you saw above there, broke the plastic fitting out of the well penetration, and replaced it with a brass fitting here. Waited, turned everything back on, fired it up, no leak. I had a professional from down the street come and check everything out, made sure I did it right, and for a fraction of the cost, had this all fixed up. So it ended up working out for me. Now it's about time I use that tractor and fill in this hole. I was pretty easy digging. I mean, that backhoe is great. I was just able to sit there with a coffee in my hand and dig away, and took me less than an hour to get down. Hole's just big enough for me to fit in here. So what I plan on doing now is, if I ever have to dig this up again, which the guys over the plumbing supply store said it probably wouldn't have to happen, but I was a little nervous about ripping up this line here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this white PVC pipe, and I'm gonna put it across the bottom, maybe about a foot and a half above my supply line, and that way, if I ever have to dig this up again, I hit a warning. This pipe, I'll dig this pipe up first, and then do the rest of the work here with the shovel, so I don't damage anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this back in now, and set this pipe in, and I'll start the video again when I get everything in place.